Good morning, student. Today I will explain exercise 13.3. Question number 1. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. Student, you know how to write the numbers in expanded form. You have already learned in class 6. 2,79,404. Place value of 2 is 2 lakh, so we can write it 2 into 1 lakh. Place value of 7 is 70,000, so we can write it 7 into 10,000. Place value of 9 is 9,000, so we can write it 9 into 1,000. And place value of 4 is 400, so we can write it 4 into 100. And place value of 0 is 10, so we can write it 0 into 10. And place value of 4 is 1, so we can write it 4 into 1. Now we write this number in exponential form. 2 into 10 to the power 5 plus 7 into 10 to the power 4 plus 9 into 10 to the power 3 plus 4 into 10 square plus 0 into 10 to the power 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0. Now you can write these number in exponential form. Question number 2. Find the number from each of the following expanded forms. A. 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 square plus 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. We can write it 80,000 plus 6,000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 5 is equal to 86,045. B. 4 into 10 to the power 5 plus 5 into 10 to the power 3 plus 3 into 10 square plus 2 into 10 to the power 0. We can write it 4 lakh plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 2 is equal to 4 lakh 5,302. C. 3 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7 into 10 square plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. We can write it 30,705. D. 9 into 10 to the power 5 plus 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 3 into 10 to the power 1. We can write it 9,230. Question number 3. Express the following numbers in standard form. First, student, you can see this number. There is no decimal, but if there is no decimal, decimal is always is an end of the number. So we shift the decimal after 7 digit to the left. Student, decimal should always put after 1 digit. So we put the decimal after 5. So we can write it 5 into 10 to the power 7 because we shift the decimal after 7 digit to the left. Okay. Second, after 7, 6 0. So we shift the decimal after 7 means move the decimal after 6 digit to the left. Okay. So we can write 7 into 10 to the power 6. Third, you can see the number 31865 and then 50. Decimal will shift 9 places to the left. So we put the decimal after 1 digit, 3.1865 into 10 to the power 9. Okay. Student, you can do question number 4th, 5th and 6th same as 1st, 2nd and 3rd. 4th, 3.90878 into 10 to the power 5. 5th, 3.90878 into 10 to the power 4. And 6th, 3.90878 into 10 to the power 3. Remember it, decimal should always put after 1 digit. Okay. Question number 4. Express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. A. The distance between Earth and Moon is 384 million meter. So we write it in standard form. 3.84 into 10 to the power 8. Student, you know decimal should always put after 1 digit. So we put the decimal after 3. So 3.84 and decimal will shift 8 places to the left. So 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. So the distance between Earth and Moon is 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. B. Speed of light in vacuum is 300 million meter per second. We write it in standard form. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. You know, the decimal should always put after the one digit. So 3.0 into 10 to the power 8, and decimal will shift 8 places to the left. So 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. C. Diameter of the earth is 1 crore 27 lakh 56,000 meter. We write it in standard form. 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7 meter. You know, we always put the decimal after one digit. So 1.2756, and we will shift the decimal from right to left after 7 digit. So 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7 meter. D. Diameter of the sun is 1,400,000,000 meter. We write it in standard form. 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 meter. You know, decimal should always put after one digit. So we put the decimal after 1.4, and decimal will shift 9 places to the left. So 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 meter. So diameter of the sun is 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 meter. E. In a galaxy, there are on an average 100 billion stars. So we write it in standard form. 1 into 10 to the power 11. Because after 1, 11 zeros. So we write it in standard form. 1 into 10 to the power 11 stars. F. The universe is estimated to be about 12 billion years old. So we write it in standard form. 1.2 into 10 to the power 10 years old, because we always put the decimal after one digit. So 1.2, and we shift the decimal from right to left 10 digit. So we write 10 to the power 10. So 1.2 into 10 to the power 10 years old. The universe is estimated to be about 1.2 into 10 to the power 10 years old. G. The distance of the Sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be. This is very large number, so we write it in standard form. 3 into 10 to the power 20 meter. After 3, 20 zeros. So decimal will shift 20 places to the left, and decimal put after one digit. So 3.0 into 10 to the power 20 meter. So the distance of the Sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be 3 into 10 to the power 20 meter. H. This is very large number, so we write it in standard form. 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 molecules. Student, decimal should always put after one digit, so we put the decimal after 6. So 6.023, and decimal will shift 22 places to the left. So 10 to the power 22. So 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 molecules are contained in a drop of water weighing 1.8 gram. Okay. I. The earth has 1,353,000,000 cubic kilometer of seawater. We write it in standard form. 1.353 into 10 to the power 9 cubic kilometer. You know, we always put the decimal after one digit. So we write 1.353, and decimal will shift 9 places to the left. So we write 1.353 into 10 to the power 9 cubic kilometer. Okay. J. The population of India was about 1,027,000,000 in March 2001. So we write it in standard form. 1.027 into 10 to the power 9. Decimal should always put after one digit. So we put the decimal after 1.027, and decimal will shift 9 places to the left. So 1.027 into 10 to the power 9. So the population of India was about 1.027 into 10 to the power 9 in March 2001. Student, you have to practice all the questions very carefully and you have to complete your notebook. Okay? Have a nice day.